Now, after hectic parleys, DMK and the Congress finally signed their seat-sharing agreement today. The DMK has allotted 25 assembly seats to ally Congress for April 6 Tamil Nadu Assembly elections. DMK will be also contesting. In fact, they've given Kanyakumari Lok Sabha seat to the grand old party, the Congress. Let's take a listen at all the seat-sharing tussle that went by and finally a consensus.
After days of hectic negotiations, bargaining and frayed nerves, which led to Tamil Nadu Congress chief turning emotional, DMK and Congress on Sunday managed to strike a common ground over sharing seats in Tamil Nadu. The DMK allotted 25 seats to ally Congress for April 6 assembly elections. The National Party has also been allotted Kanyakumari Lok Sabha seat that would go for by-polls following the death of Congress MP Vasanta Kumar.
We have signed the seat sharing agreement and we will be contesting in 25 assembly seats and one Lok Sabha Kanyakumari seat.
Announcing the pact, Tamil Nadu Congress chief K.S. Alagiri said that DMK Congress alliance is working hard to protect secularism by defeating BJP in polls.
பாரதிய ஜனதா இன்றைக்கு இந்தியாவினுடைய மிகப்பெரிய நோயாக வளர்ந்திருக்கிறது. அது நோயாக இருப்பது மட்டுமல்ல, அந்த நோயை மற்றவர்கள் மீதும் பரப்புவதற்கு அவர்கள் முயற்சிக்கிறார்கள். கொரோனா வைரஸை விட ஆபத்தான ஒரு ஆயுதமாக அவர்கள் இன்றைக்கு விளங்கி வருகிறார்கள்.
Congress had to settle for fewer seats than the last time. In 2016 assembly polls, Congress fought on 41 seats and won 8 of them. The DMK, hoping to return to power after being in opposition for 10 years, has allotted 3 seats to the Indian Union Muslim League, 2 to MMK, 6 to VCK and MDMK each. Earlier, the ruling AIADMK on March 5th also sealed its alliance with BJP, allotting 20 assembly constituencies and the Kanyakumari Lok Sabha seat to the Saffron Party after several rounds of negotiations.
PMK, they are very strong in North Tamil Nadu, so accordingly they would have taken those seats. Our leaders would have definitely discussed all those things, and we are very sure we will take all these 20 seats, we will win.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah, while campaigning in Kanyakumari, expressed confidence in NDA winning Tamil Nadu polls.
कन्याकुमारी लोकसभा सीट और आने वाले विधानसभा चुनाव के अंदर एआईडीएमके, बीजेपी और पीएमके की संयुक्त सरकार बनेगी.
After several rounds of talks and even an alleged breakdown from the Congress side, DMK and Congress finally signed the pact. Congress is getting 25 seats to contest in this alliance from Tamil Nadu for 2021 elections and one Lok Sabha by-poll election as well. When we asked them, are you satisfied with the number as it has come down from 41 to 25, the Congress leaders claim that there is nothing to be satisfied about anything anymore, as this is a war and it has to be fought together. With camera person Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.